Hi, HCI Research Methods 101. How to evaluate user experience design like a pro. This clip is about cart sorting. What is it? Uncover users' mental models for better UX design. My name is Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. What is cart sorting? Cart sorting, one input in a user-centered design process, involves sorting a series of cards into groups that make sense to them. Each card is labeled with a piece of content or functionality. These cards can help generate an overall structure for your information and suggestion for navigation, menus, and taxonomies. Various statistical methods can be used to analyze the data. The purpose of the analysis is to extract patterns from the population of test subjects so that a common set of categories and relationships emerges. Card sorting is a method used to help design or evaluate the information architecture of a site that matches user expectations. How user group information. In a card sorting session, participants organize topics into categories that make sense to them, and they may also help you label these groups. To conduct a card sort, you can actual cards piece of paper are one of the several online card sorting software tools used into create an information architecture that suits your user's expectation. For example, user group the contents and develop a hierarchy themselves. Build the structure for your website. Designing a new website. Redesigning a website and early stages of prototype. Types of card sorts. Open card sort. An open card sort is suitable for exploratory research. Participants can create as many categories as they want for the content item, and they can label the categories in any way they want. Participants sort the card into groups and then name the group themselves, creating new or information architecture or improving existing ones. Finding pattern in how user expect to find contents. Generating ideas for how to structure and label your website or app information. Close card sorting. All the categories labels are provided, and participants don't add any categories of their own in a closed card sort. It is useful either as a validation exercise after an open card sort has already been conducted, or in cases where the categories have already been defined and the only question remaining is how cards should be assigned to those categories. A moderator gives participants predefined categories to sort the cards info. Finding out if user understand your categorization. Pinpointing misleading categories and make informed decision on how to improve, ensuring information is organized in a way that makes sense of your audience. Learning how user prioritize and rank information within existing categories. Hybrid card sort. Hybrid card sort, as the name suggests, a hybrid card sort is a mixture of open and closed sorts. It provides a set of categories but also allows participants to add one or more categories of their own if they do not think the cards fit into the pre-existing categories. Whatever type of card sort you intend to perform, you must have the cards to show participants in your study. Some categories have already been defined for participants to sort the card into, but participants also can create their own categories. Testing existing information architecture and website structure to see if they work expected. When you have some information categorized but need input for organizing the remainder. If flexibility is a priority, you can give categories examples to participants while allowing them to add their own. If you have any question, please do comment. And if you like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much.